Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this super cute Hello Kitty with a teddy bear. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with her classic bow on the side of her head. So we're going to start with a circle, and then once we've drawn that circle, we're going to draw the sides of her bow. So we have this kind of like a candy corn shaped thing on one side, and we're going to do that candy corn shaped thing on the other side. Sweet! When we're done with that, we're going to do the same thing but smaller on the inside. The same kind of thing, same kind of shape on the other side. Then we're going to draw her ear. It's peeking from behind her bow. And then we're going to draw her other ear. They're triangles, but they're kind of round. Kind of round. They just make her cuter that way, you know? Then we're going to draw the top of her head. It's just this little line we got to add. And then we're going to do the sides of her head. So we have one curved line that stops. And then on the other side, we're going to draw another curved line that stops because we got to leave room for her hands. We're going to draw her hands in a second. So let's go ahead and draw one eye. It's an oval. And then another eye is another oval. Then we can go ahead and color in those ovals. We can color in those ovals. All right, awesome. She has eyes now. She can see. So we're going to draw her nose. It's just an oval, like on its side. Oval going the other way. Then we're going to give her her whiskers because she's a kitty cat. So got to give her her whiskers. So we've got 3 on one side and then 3 on the other side. All right, we're done with her face. We're done with her head. Okay, now we can move on to her arms. So one arm. Don't forget her little thumb on the side. So we've got 1. And then 2. So now she has her hands. Now we're going to draw her feet. So we're going to draw bigger ovals. These are much bigger than her eyes. So we're going to draw 1 oval. Then the other oval is going to slightly overlap with the other one. So there's 2. Awesome, we're almost done drawing her. Now we need to draw her back, which is just this curved line. And then Hello Kitty has a tiny little tail. So we're gonna draw her tiny little tail. And we're done with Hello Kitty. Now we just need to draw her teddy bear. We need to draw her little friend that she has with her. So we're gonna start by drawing the top of the teddy bear's head. Just a little curved line on the top. Then we're going to draw those round bear ears. Round bear ears. Then we could do the side of his face. And leave just a tiny little bit of room for his arm. So we're going to draw 1 dot for one eye. And then another dot for the other eye. Then we're going to draw the semicircle for his muzzle. A semicircle for his muzzle, and then his little nose. Then we're going to draw his arms. They're reaching up into the sky because he's super happy and super excited. And then just like how we drew Hello Kitty's feet, we're going to draw 2 ovals. So here's 1, and here's 2. And then last but not least, just like Hello Kitty, we also need to give him a little tail. So there's his little tail. We're done with our drawing. Then you can go ahead and color it. I made the teddy bear brown. I gave Hello Kitty her classic colors, blue, red, and yellow, and that's all there is to it.